Hello everyone. This is October November 2023 additional mathematics. It's 4037 and its variant is 13. Okay, so uh, as usual, you must write candidate name here, center number, uh, candidate numbers, and before starting, follow through all this information, and its marks is 80. And see, the mathematical formulas are given here: algebra, binomial, arithmetic and geometric series, trigonometry, trigonometric identities, sine rule, cosine rule, and area. Okay, these formulas are clearly mentioned here. Now let us see question 1. Okay, y equals to 2x plus 5. Y equals to 2x plus 5. And y equals to modulus of 4x minus 3. We need to sketch the graph. In this graph, x-axis and y-axis are given. So let me try. Y equals to 2x plus 5. If x is 0, y is 5. And if y is 0, x equals to minus 2.5. Now put all these values on the graph. Y is 5. Let me put here 5. Then minus 2.5. Okay, now this is minus 2.5. So this is the graph for y equals to 2x plus 5. Again, for y equals to modulus of 4x minus 3, first of all let me ignore modulus sign. So 4x minus 3, if x is 0, y is minus 3, so let me use that value 5, then so there can be 3. If y equals to 0, then 4x minus 3 equals to 0, so x equals to 3 by 4, so it is nearly 0.75. so it can be here. Now let me draw this line. Okay, then since there is a modulus given, reflect the graph which lies below the x-axis. That means this part can be reflected with x-axis. Okay, I mean this part will be reflected with x-axis. So this is 3. Let me put here 3 and then join that. So this is the graph for y equals to a modulus of 4x minus 3. This is 3 and the point is 3 and this point is 3 by 4. So I mentioned all the points on coordinate axis. Question B, that is solve the inequalities. How to solve that? Just first remove the modulus sign and use positive, and for removing modulus sign let me put negative sign. Now it's like this equation and we can solve it. This is 4x subtracted 2x and 5 minus 3, that is 8. So x less than 4. Great. Then next thing, minus 4x plus 3 less than 2x plus 5. 2x, if it comes left side, then it is becoming minus 6x, and 3 goes after inequality sign, it is becoming 5 minus 3. So minus 6x less than 2x. This is before x is the negative number. If an inequality is divided or multiplied by negative numbers, inequality sign will be changed. Reverse. Less than will be changed to greater than sign will be changed to uh, less than sign. So 2 divided by minus 6, x greater than minus 1 by 3. So our answer is whether x less than 4 or x greater than minus 3, and we will combine these two inequalities, that is 1 by 3 minus less than x less than 4. So this is the final answer. And it is necessary to find out perpendicular bisector. So bisector main clue is that it is midpoint. Okay, so let me find out the midpoint. Formula for the midpoint: x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, then for perpendicular, gradient will be negative reciprocal. M equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and equation of perpendicular equals to y minus y1 equals to minus 1 by m x minus x1. So these all are the important clues regarding this. Midpoint equals to minus 3 plus 6 divided by 2, then 2 by 3 minus 7 by 3 divided by 2. Okay, this is the formula for, I applied the formula for midpoint. 6 minus 3, that is 3 by 2, and 2 minus 7, then that is minus 5 by 3, and multiply numerator and denominator by 3 to remove the simplify the fraction. Okay, so minus 5 over 6, this is the midpoint coordinates for the bisector. Then let me find out the gradient m. So minus 7 by 3 minus 2 by 3 divided by 6 minus 3. Okay, now simplify. It is becoming minus 9 by 3 divided by 6 minus and minus plus 3, so 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9, that means minus 1 over 3. Perpendicular bisector, so midpoint is important. Okay, so let me use this formula: y minus y1 equals to minus 1 by m x minus x1. So y minus 5 by 6, minus 5 by 6 equals to minus 1 by minus 1 over 3 x minus 3 by 2. Now let us simplify. Plus 5 by 6 minus minus cancel, 3 x minus 3 by 2. Since this line 2k, coordinates 2k passes through this perpendicular bisector, we can plug in y by k and x by 2 minus 3 by 2. Let us simplify this. So k plus 5 over 6 equals to 3 to the 6 minus 9 by 2. So k equals to 6 minus 9 by 2 minus 5 by 6. And if we simplify this one, LCM is 6. Okay, so 6 is a 36 minus 3 9 is 27 minus 5. 27 minus 27 minus 5, this is minus 32, 36 minus 32 is 4 over 6. Therefore k equals to, now simplify, divide both the numerator and denominator by 2, so it is becoming 2 by 3. So this is the value of k. Next question, on the axis draw the graph of y equals to 2 sine x by 3 minus 1 for minus 360 to 360. Okay. Let me first find out, we know the sine graph, we know okay, this is the sine graph. Always maximum of sine is 1 and minimum is minus 1. So for this graph, let me find out first what is the maximum of this graph. 2 sine x by 3 minus 1. So sine x by 3 is 1. So 2 times 1 minus 1, that is 1. Y minimum 2 times minus 1 minus 1, so minimum is minus 3. So let me draw first boundary of this graph. Okay, then minimum value is minus 3. Okay, and if x is 0, then y equals to 2 sine 0 minus 1, so this is minus 1, so y is minus 1. We can identify this as the first point. Then zero, this is minus 1 for 180. So to write anything, let me try 360. $270. This is 1. Okay. Now let me try for minus 90. So it is becoming minus 2. Minus 180. Minus 2.73. I mean, it is here. $270. This is minus 3. 360 minus 2.73. Now join all this point. Okay, so this is the graph of this trigonometric function. Question 4. The polynomial p, px equals to ax cube plus bx square plus 3x plus 2, a, b and integers. Px has a factor 2x plus 1, and px has remainder of minus 6 when divided by x plus 1. So let me use 2x plus 1, that means x equals to half, I mean minus half, and let me substitute it 1 by 2 whole cube plus b minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 2 equals to 0, since it is mentioned factor means remainder is 0. Let me simplify. Minus a by 8 plus b by 4, minus 3 by 2 plus 2 equals to 0. If I simplify this, I mean multiply by 8, so this is a plus 2b minus 8 times 8 divided by 2, 4, 3 4 is 12, 16 equals to 0. Minus a plus 2b plus 4 equals to 0. We can write a minus 2b equals to 4. This is first equation. Okay, let me find out second equation. Since if it is divided by x plus 1, remainder will be minus 6. So substitute x by a, I mean x by minus 1 squared plus 3 times minus 1 plus 2 equals to minus 6. Okay, simplify now. Minus a plus b minus 3 plus 2 equals to minus 6. Let me write minus a plus b minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1, it goes minus 5. Now a minus b equals to 5. I removed minus sign from all the sides. So there are two equations. Now let us simplify these two equations, 1 and 2. 1 minus b equals to 5. Subtract this. This is 2. Okay. Subtract this. So it is minus b. 4 minus 1, b equals to 1. So b equals to 1. Substitute in 2. A minus 1 equals to 5. So a equals to 6. So these all are the values of a, I mean b, and next one is a. Okay. Next question, show that the equation px equals to 0 has only one real root. We should use p value first. I mean a is 6x cubed plus b is substituted by 1, so x squared plus 3x plus 2. It's already mentioned that 2x plus 1 is a factor. So let us divide the whole polynomial, I mean this the polynomial, by 2x plus 1. So let me write here 6x cubed. If I multiply 2x by 3x square, we are having 6x cubed plus 3x square into 1, 3x square. Now let us subtract. So this is becoming 2x square plus 3x, 2x. If it is multiplied by x, it will be minus 2x square, then minus x multiplied by plus 1, so this is minus x. Now it is 4x plus 2. If I multiply 2x plus 1 by 2, it is becoming 4x plus 2. So the factors are 2x plus 1 times 3x square minus x plus 2 equals to 0. I mean x equals to minus half, and then since it is given that there is only one real root, let me check the discriminant of this one. B square minus 4ac. B is minus 1 squared plus 4 times 3 times 2. So 1 minus 24, that is minus 23. So less than 0, no real root. Okay. So there is only one real root. This one, x equals to minus 1 by 2. So short. I mean. Okay. It's great. Let us come for question 5. A 5 character password is to be formed from the following 10 characters. There are letters given A, B, C, D, and X. I mean A, B, C, X, Y, Z, and there's a star, dollar sign, and another two symbols. Okay. So find the number of passwords. I mean 5 characters password. Okay, 5 characters password. Find the number of passwords that can be formed. This is actually arrangement. So 10 P5. Okay, let me 10 shift P5. So it is becoming 30240. This is the answer. Find the number of passwords that can be formed if the password has to be contain at least one symbol. Without symbol, 2, 3, 4, 5. Without symbol, this is without symbol. This can be filled by letters only. 6P5. Let me see. 6 shift P5. There is 720. So first one 10P5 I have got 30,240. So at least with one symbol is 720. Let me subtract 30240 minus 720. 30240 minus 720. Okay, so our answer is becoming 29520. Third question, find the number of passwords that can be formed if the password has to start with 2 letters and with 2 symbols. Okay, again, find the number of passwords that can be formed if the password has to start with 2 letters and ends with 2 symbols. Okay, no, 5. These 2 letters will be filled with 2 letters. So this can be 6P2. Okay, into last 2 letters will be filled by 4 symbols. So 4P2, and in middle there are rest of the 4 space gone. Then there are 6 numbers and 6C1. Now let me do calculations. 6 shift P2 into 6 shift C1 into 4 shift P2. So it is becoming 2160. The question is, the team will be of 8 peoples. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. First of all, we can take one doctor and one teacher, and rest 6 police officers can be taken in filled by 6P6 ways. Okay, I mean 6C6 way. Second option, let me take 2 doctors and 2 teachers. Okay, here from 5 doctors I am taking one, choosing one. From 4 teachers I am choosing one. From here 5 doctors we are choosing 2, and 4 teachers I am choosing 2. Then there are 6 police officers. From 6 police officers I am just choosing 4 police officers. And then another option can be 3 doctors can be chosen and 3 teachers can be chosen. So from 5 doctors, then final option is from 5 doctors I can take 4, then from 4 teachers choosing 4, so total 8 is, so no police officers is necessary to. Now multiply all this plus 5c2 into 4c2 into 6c4 plus 5c3 into 4c3 into 6c2 plus 5c4 into 4c4. Okay, 6, that is 1, so total is 20 plus 5c2 into 4 shift c3 into 6 shift c2, this is 600. Okay, plus 5 shift c4 into 4, so this is 5. So if we add all this, 900 plus 600 plus 5 plus 20, so this is 1525. Polynomial qx is given by qx equals to minus 1 by 3, 2x minus 1, x plus 3 whole square. Find the x coordinates of the stationary point of the curve y equals to qx. So to find the stationary point, we need to differentiate q dash x equals to, since it is in product form, q dash x equals to minus 1 by 3 2x minus 1 times 2 times x plus 3, 2 minus 1 1 plus then minus 1 by 3 2 times x, that is 2 into 0, sorry, 2 times 1 minus 0, then x plus 3 whole square. So minus 1 by 3 is common and x plus 3 is common, so finally it is becoming 2x minus 1 minus that is plus, there is also 2, so minus 1 by 3 x plus 3, 4x minus 2 plus 2x plus 6. Okay, minus 1 by 3 x plus 3, so 6x plus 4. Now if this is equals to 0, x equals to minus 3 and x equals to minus 4 by 6, that is 2 by 3. Okay, these all are the values of x I mean x coordinates. If x equals to 0, qx equals to, I mean y equals to minus 1 by 3 minus 1 3 squared. So 9 by 3, so 0 3. Let me use the point here 0 3. If qx equals to 0, then we can find minus 1 by 3 2x minus 1 x plus 3 whole square equals to 0. So x equals to half and x equals to minus 3. This is repeated, we can write twice, so it will touch in that point. So let me put the minus 3 here, then half, it is a bit near. Okay, now this is a cubic equation, I mean cubic graph. X, if we multiply, if we remove the brackets, if we multiply this cubic graph, we know that ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, if the function is in that way, a greater than 0, the graph will be I mean this type, and if a less than 0, that is graph will be. So now it's showing the second option, that means it will start from above. So okay, minus 3 0 will be repeated, so let me, and it will touch the x-axis since it is repeated. Now this is the graph for this, though it is not looking good at all. Fine, I showed intersecting point, I mean where the graph crosses the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, now it is in the question it is mentioned that find the values of k such that qx equals to k has exactly one solution. So it's asking for exactly one solutions. Now it's helpful for us to find the turning point. Okay, if, let me copy the question again, y equals to qx equals to minus 1 by 3 2x minus 1 x plus 3 whole square. Okay, and x values are minus 3, x values are minus 3, and x values are minus 2 by 3. And if I use these x values, we will find y equals to, this is y equals to, just plug in 2 times minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 times plus 3 whole square, that is, it is 0. Since this part is 0, all the things multiplied. So this is one turning point, sorry, this is one turning point, and another turning point is on top. So this is minus 2 by 3, so let me use minus 2 by 3 there. Y equals to minus 1 by 3 2 times minus 2 by 3 minus 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 3 whole square. Let us simplify this, minus 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3 minus 1, and this is a 9 minus 2 7 by 3 whole square. This is plus 1 by 3 into minus 7 by 3 into 7 by 3 whole square. So if I simplify all this, it is becoming 7 cube 7 square 7 that is 343, and then down is 81. Let us draw a line. If I go above this line, there is a 1 point everywhere. If I go below this line, if I consider a lot of line after this, there is a 1 point meeting 1 point. So k can be greater than 343 by 81, and k can be less than 0. Okay, so these are the solutions of that equation. Question 7. 6x to the power 1 by 3 minus 2x minus 1 by 3 minus 1 equals to 0. Give your answer in exact form. Okay, let me copy it again. Rewrite it again. Rewrite it. Let y equals to x to the power 1 by 3, 6y minus 2 by y minus 1 equals to 0, 6y square minus 2 minus y equals to 0, 6y square minus y minus 2 equals to 0. Now let us factorize 6 to the 12 minus 12. So in the middle there is minus 1. So minus 4 into 3, 6y square minus 4y plus 3y minus 2 equals to 0. 2y is common, 3y minus 2 plus 1 is common, 3y minus 2, so equals to 0. So y equals to minus 1 by 2, another one is y equals to 2 by 3. But y I have considered, but in the question it is given x to the power 1 by 3. And doing cube on both sides. So this is x equals to minus 1 by 8, and x to the power 1 by 3 equals to 2 by 3. So x equals to 2 cube, that is 8, and 3 cube, so 27. Now this is the x values. X equals to 8 by 27, and then x equals to minus 1 by 8. Okay, great. Question 8. The first three terms in ascending power of x in the expansion blah blah can be written in the form this one, where n, a, b and c are integers. Find the values of n, a, b and c. Whole n, 2x square to the power n minus n by 1 factorial, 2x square n minus 1 into 1 by 4x plus n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial, 2x squared, and power is n minus 2, 1 by 4x whole squared. Okay, so I wrote 2 to the power n, x to the power 2n. This is the first term and this is the first term, equals to 2 to the power 256 x to the power 16. Okay, so I can write whether 2 to the power n equals to 256, though it is quite difficult. Otherwise x coefficient, x power 2n 2n equals to 16, so n equals to 8. I think this is the very good answer for n value. Now let me try second term. Okay, to write second term, let me use this 8 value. 8 by 1 factorial 2x squared 8 minus 1, that is 7, into 1 by 4x equals to a x to the power 13. Okay, now let me simplify. 8 2 to the power 7, 2 to the power 7, 128, 128 into x to the power 14 divided by 1 by 4x equals to a x to the power 13. 4 to the 8 into 2, so 256 minus 256 13. Now x to the power 13 cancel, so a equals to minus 251. b x to the power c equals to n is 8, so 8 n minus 1, 8 minus 1 7, 2 factorial 2, 2 to the power n minus 8 minus 2 6, so 2 to the power 6 x to the power 12 into 1 by 16 into x square. Okay, so 4, then 4 here, 4 again, then 2 square, 2 to the power 2 6, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4, 16, 7 16. Let me try. 7 times 16, 7 times 16, 112. So this is 112, 112 x to the power 12 minus 2, so 10. So b equals to 112 and c equals to, so we know ddx of u by v equals to v square, v ddx of u minus u ddx of v. Okay, so if y equals to 5x plus 2, that is 1 by 3, divided by x minus 1 whole square. So dy dx equals to, exactly down will be x minus 1 square, then power 2 again, so this will be 4, and x minus 1 whole square, let me write as it is, and u will be differentiated, I mean upper one is u and down one is v. So 1 by 3 5x plus 2, 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 2 by 3, and chain rule must be applied, 5x plus 2 again differentiate, so 5 will remain, minus 5x plus 2 1 by 3 and x minus 1 whole square differentiated, so 2 x minus 1, 2 minus 1 1, x minus 1 will be common, so remaining 5 by 3 x minus 1, 1 by 5x plus 2 to the power 2 by 3 minus 5x plus 2 to the power 1 by 3, done. 2 also, and there x minus 1 whole 4, then there will be simplification, so there will be only x minus 1 whole cube. Okay, now check, there is denominator is this one, 5x plus 3 to the power 2 by 3. For this reason, to remove that, multiply, and there is 3 also, multiply numerator by 3, 5x plus 3 to the power 2 by 3, then denominator also 3, 5x plus 3 to the power 2 by 3. Let me write here 3 will be here because there will be no change in denominators. On top, if I multiply this one and that one, cancel, 3 cancel, so 5 x minus 1 remaining. Okay, then 3 to the 6 and there will be 5x plus 2, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 added. If you use calculators, that will be 1, so no need to write 1. Now I remove the bracket to 5x minus 5 minus 30x minus 12 divided by 3 x minus 1 whole cube 5x plus 3 2 by 3. Simplify this and take minus as common. It is becoming minus 25x minus 5 minus 12 minus 17, minus goes out, so plus 17. So your answer is becoming now 3 x minus 1 whole cube 5x plus 3 2 by 3. Done. It is proof there. See that. (20 plus 20 theta equals to 65. So theta equals to 1.25. Done. (1.25) divided by 2, 0.625. This is 0.625. 20. Hypotenuse. Opposite by adjacent. So 10, 0.625 equals to BC by 20. So BC equals to 20, 10, 0.62. Area of quadrilateral equals to, there's a two shapes, two triangles. Let me first find out this part. Okay, this part. So half into 20 into 20, 10, 0.625. Okay, there's a 2 times, so multiplied by 2. Now it is becoming 410, 0.625. So this is the area of the whole quadrilateral. Area of sector equals to half r square theta 1.25. So area of shaded region, this part, area of shaded part equals to 410, 0.625 minus there is a 20 square, so 400, so 200 into 1. Area is 38.6 centimeter square. Okay, so there is an additional working space is given for question 10. Now let us try to solve question 11. This is from vector. So OX equals to 4 by 5b, OX, AY equals to, AY is this part, 1/3 of AB, AZ equals to mu a yz equals to lambda times xy, where lambda is constant, mu is also constant. These all are. And one more thing, oy equals to xy is basically oy minus ox. Okay, so ox is 4 by 5b. It is already meant. Oy can be oa plus ay. Okay, and now oa is a plus ay is 1/3 of ab. Okay, but same as AB is OB minus OA, A plus 1 by 3. OB is what? Is B and OA is A. And simplify 1 by 3B, 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3 A. So let me write here 2 by 3 A plus 1 by 3 B. Let me simplify 2 by 3 A plus LCM is 15, 15 and 5, 3 4 are 12 B. So it is becoming 2 by 3A minus 7 by 15B. Great, this is short. Now yz equals to lambda xy. Okay, xy, I have got that xy is given lambda 2 by 3a minus 7 by 15b. Okay, yz equals to this is lambda times 2 lambda by 3a minus 7 lambda by 15b. This is y and z, yz. Another yz, it will be in oz minus oy. Okay, oz minus oy. Oz is a, then az mu a plus mu a minus oy. Oy is, I have got these things here, 2 by 3 a plus 1 by 3b. Now simplify this. 1 minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3, then plus mu a, then minus 1 by 3b. That are the two values of yz. So let me equate a by 3 minus 7 lambda by 15 b equals to 1 by 3 plus mu a minus 1 by 3 b. Comparing coefficient of b first, I think it will be easier. 15 equals to 1 by 3, 3 5s are 15, lambda equals to 5 by 7. Now 2 lambda plus comparing coefficient of a equals to 1 by 3 plus mu. Lambda is 2 by 3 into 1, 5 by 7. 1 by 3 plus mu. 10 over 21 minus 1 by 3 equals to mu. 21 LCM, 10 minus 3 by 21, mu equals to 1 by 7. Okay, lambda 5 by 7. There is the last question. So many questions in that papers, 12 questions. This is 5 marks. Okay, this is in radian. Okay, so this is cosec. Cosec means 1 by sine. So this can be written 1 by sine square 2x by 3 5 by 3 equals to 4. After cross multiplication, sine square 2x by 3 minus 5 by 3 equals to 3 by 4. Okay, now we can write sine 2x by 3 minus pi by 3 equals to square root of 3 by 2. Okay, I mean plus or minus. So as it is, it's like as simple. Two results of sine 2x by 3 minus pi by 3 equals to root 3 by 2. Another one is sine 2x by 3 minus pi by 3. This is plus. So consider these two, theta and pi minus theta. So root 3 by 2, sine inverse root 3 by 2, pi by 3. Okay, pi by 3. So 2x by 3 minus pi by 3 equals to pi by 3 is the one, and another one is pi minus pi by 3. Then in that side, 2x by 3 minus pi by 3 is TC, since it is negative. So we will get these two quadrant. This is pi plus theta. This is 2 pi minus theta. Since it is 3 pi up to, so I can go more for this. 2 pi plus pi by 3, 3 pi minus pi by 3. Let me see which one will be in the quadrant. Equals to pi plus pi by 3, 2 pi minus pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 and then 3 pi minus pi. What is happening? Pi, then 2 pi plus 2 pi by 3, then 3 pi equals to 2 pi by 3 pi, 6 pi plus 2 pi, 8 pi by 3, 3 pi. Simplify now. X equals to pi by pi, 3 pi by 2, 4 pi out of range. From this side, 2x by 3 equals to pi plus 2 pi by 3, then 2 pi. 6, 3 pi, 5 pi by 3, 2 pi. So 3 3 cancel. 5 by 2. Finally, x is becoming pi, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 and then 3 pi is the final answer. So thank you very much. I hope you are enjoying the papers, and practice is necessary for these papers. And bye bye now.